After creating your company, upload your logo as shown. You can also go to the company profile menu to upload your logo. Also customize your company info including the phone, email and address. After uploading your logo and setting up your company info, go to Custom Settings menu to customize your theme as shown. To create a purchase order, first you need to add a vendor. You can choose from an existing vendor or add a new vendor as shown. If you have a list of vendors that you want to use, you can also import it from the Vendors menu using the provided template. In this case, we select an existing vendor as shown. To customize the ship to address, do it as shown. If you have multiple shipped addresses, set them up in the Locations menu under Company Profile and they will be available under the Ship to Locations dropdown as shown. When you open the import modal, it will give you an option to download a template. Please use the template to ensure your data imports correctly as shown. Setting up your ship to locations will save time as it eliminates the need for you typing them manually each time you create a PO. When you select an existing location, the form below will auto-populate with the location details as shown. Continue entering your PO details as shown. The PO number format allows you to choose between numeric auto-incremented, alphanumeric where you mix letters numbers and manual format that doesn't auto-increment. Choose an option that's ideal. In this example we use the alphanumeric auto-incremented format as shown. If you want to tie your PO to a job or project number, go to the Sales menu and select the Projects, Jobs menu to set up your jobs. Click on the Template drop-down to select the columns that you want in your PO detail as shown. When you choose a template from the drop-down, it changes the detail columns as shown. Choose the template that will be suitable for your data. If you're tracking cost codes in your PO, go to the Cost Codes menu and upload your cost codes as shown. These codes will auto-populate when you type in on this column as shown. Click on the 1, 2, 3 button to add items from your list to your PO as shown. You can upload items from the PO Items menu. In this example, we already have items imported. Adjust the tax and other optional buttons to turn them on and off as shown. Type your comments in the Other Comments or Special Instructions field. Use the custom fields provided to display custom labels on your purchase order. Each field requires a label and value. The display location of the field is given in a short description above it. Fill your custom labels as shown. After filling all your data, click on the Save and Preview button to view your purchase order. All the custom labels are highlighted as shown. Use the Layout drop-down to change the logo position and the color swatches above your document to customize the look and feel as shown. Match your document colors with your logo as shown. To request approvals on your PO, click on the Approve, Request Approval Signature tab below your PO. You can type in a cell phone number or email of the person to be notified when the document is approved. You can either draw a signature to approve or you can request approval remotely. Up to 3 signers can sign the document. To request a remote signature, simply activate the Request Remote Approval option. This will pop up the share modal that will allow you to send the document to the signer. After you send the document, the signer will get a link to e-sign and approve the document remotely as shown. The signer can either draw a signature or use a saved signature. All saved signatures need to be set up under the User Management menu. Once the document is approved, the signature is automatically saved and the person set up to receive notifications is notified. If you wish to request another signature from another signer, simply repeat the steps as described earlier. You can also request all simultaneously. Each signer will get a link and their signature will be saved alongside the others as shown. Click on the Attachments tab below your document to add any file attachments that you want to include. To receive a purchase order, click on the Receiving tab below your document. This will load a summary of the items ordered with input fields to enter the quantities of received as shown. You can also receive by going to the Receiving menu as shown. The audit log keeps track of the key events that take place in the purchase orders. It shows date, time, the user, PO number, the action and the PO total. You can clear the log as shown or you can export it as a CSV file. Only system administrators can view the audit log. To generate reports, click on the PO Reports menu. All reports are exported in CSV format. For sales, click on the Sales Reports menu under Sales menu as shown. The Sales section allows you to create estimates, invoices and receipts. To create an estimate, type title and click Add Client to add a customer. You can either choose an existing client or add new client as shown. Select your currency as shown. Use the custom fields the same way as described in the PO section. Use the Contract Signature tab below your estimate to request a signature remotely just like the PO approvals as described earlier. The customer gets a link to e-sign the estimate remotely as shown. After the estimate is signed, the customer is given an option to download or email themselves a signed copy. To customize your estimate, do it as shown. Easily convert your estimate to an invoice using the clipboard button on the top right corner as shown. To create a receipt, click Add Client just as you did with the estimate as shown. Add your receipt detail as shown. Share it as shown. The user management area is where system users are added and managed. First you start by adding employee types. After that add an employee, then create for them a user account to allow them log in to the system. When creating a user account, you're given a list of permissions to grant to the user. Select only those that are appropriate. By default, users with the administrator role will get all permissions. Thanks for watching.